So in lesson 13, we talked about the angles of a triangle, the interior ones adding up to 180 degrees. But did you know that triangles have exterior angles too? The exterior angle is the one right here. This is an exterior angle. And what we notice is that basically, if you take any side and extend that side, you end up with an exterior angle. Notice that it's outside of the triangle. So this here, this would be our exterior angle, the one on the outside. Now, in the last lesson, we learned that the inside angles of a triangle are known as interior angles. Well, if we're talking about an exterior angle, the two angles that are furthest away from that exterior angle are known as remote interior angles. Remote, like a remote location, meaning far away. So that would be this one right here and this one right here. This one is not a remote interior angle because it's right next to the exterior angle. So, what does that tell us? If I put in some labels here, let's label this as angle A, let's label this as angle B, let's label this as angle C, and then I'm just going to label this guy right here as D. Let's take a look at what happens here. We learned in the last lesson that if I do angle A plus angle B plus angle D, that's going to equal 180 degrees because I've got three interior angles of a triangle, so they add up to 180. Now we also know at the same exact time, we also know that this angle and this angle make a linear pair. So we also know that angle D plus angle C also equals 180 degrees. So look, watch what I can do with this. I've got these three angles added together equal 180, and these two angles added together equal 180. So now I can say, okay, well then they must equal each other. So I can say angle A plus angle B plus angle D equals angle D plus angle C. And now I can just subtract angle D from both sides. And what am I left with? I'm left with angle A plus angle B equals angle C. So that's just a proof that shows you that this angle plus this angle equal the exterior angle every single time. And that has a name. It's called the triangle exterior angle theorem. So what that says is an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So one last time. If I have this picture and I have any exterior angle, could be here, could be up here, could be down here, could be anywhere, this angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles that are furthest away from it. That's it.